Mendel Casiano is Mendel Casiano is only 20 years old. Kakapisan nga soltero. Praise God. And sila nga hindi na siya ka-college ko, no, kay ang iyang ginikanan hindi man maka-afford magpa-college sa iya. So it is my prayer, it is our prayer nga the Lord will provide Mendel a way out of pure construction work so that Mendel can also go to college and have a brighter future. Kung mag-civil engineer siya, mayugid. And Mr. Marjon Saison is over there walking. Mr. Marjon Saison is doing his best nga maghipid kag magbakod ang work nga ini. This is the property of Miss Dina Serfino. Behind this church building. That church building is part of San Gabriel subdivision, Ibago City, Barangay Balingasag. But this 500 square meter land is already part of Purok Ilang-Ilang, Barangay Poblacion, Bago City also. So separate sila nga barangay, pero they are back to back to Paraylangid. And thanks be to God nga the members of the church, ng neighboring church, the members of the church and the family nga informal settlers here, 5 sila ka grupo, decided to buy, each one of them, each family decided to buy 100 square meters.